Hey, what's going on, guys? It's Dylan down here at Get Lowered Cycles. Today we have a awesome video to show you guys. So we took our shop bike, also known as a Lowrider S, and we put on some Bassani Radial Sweepers on it. Now it has a 114 in it, nothing too crazy. I believe it's got a 475 cam, and this thing is gnarly. This bike is very, very loud with these pipes. I'll show you a couple clips of it, kind of show you how short they are. We'll do some pans around the bike, idle, drive-bys. We'll do some dyno runs for you in this video. You guys can check them out. But again, these pipes are phenomenal, and they are extremely loud, and I really hope the videos do it justice. So as you can see here, here's the pipes. Again, these are Bassani Radial Sweepers. I believe these come in black and chrome, and you can just see how clean these pipes look, but you can also tell, judging by the length of these pipes, that these are very, very short. Man, are these things awesome. Very, very loud too. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoy.